So we are going to discuss about the predictor corrector formula. Okay. So here I told you one formula is used to predict the value of yk, and the second formula is used to correct the value of yk. It is used to improve the value of yk. Okay. So the first method is Milne's predictor corrector method. Okay. So please note down the predictor and corrector equation of Milne's method. The predictor equation is y4 is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Dash means derivative. dy by dx at x equal to x1, that is y1 dash. dy by dx at x equal to x2, that is y2 dash. And dy by dx at x equal to x3, that is y3 dash. Then corrector equation is y4 is equal to y2 plus h by 3 into y4 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y2 dash. So please note down the question. Given dy by dx is equal to 2 e raised to x minus y, where y of 0.1 is equal to 2.01, y of 0.2 is equal to 2.0401, y of 0.3 is equal to 2.0907, and y of 0.4 is equal to 2.1621, and you are asked to compute y of 0.5. So please note down this question. We are going to solve the value. So first you have to take, this is x0, 0.1 equal to x0, this is y0, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and this is x3, and this is y3, and you are asked to find y4. y4 means y of x4. So x4 is 0.5, and you are asked to find y4. So here h is equal to what? H is equal to 0.1. Okay. So please note, I told you x0 equal to 0.1 and y0 is equal to 2.01. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to, please go through that ordinary differential equation. dy by dx is y dash, that is equal to 2 e raised to x, 2 e raised to x minus y. 2 e raised to x minus y, that is our equation, ordinary differential equation. So if x is equal to 0.1 and y equal to 2.01, then what is y dash 0? Y dash 0 is 2 into e raised to 0.1, substitute 0.1 here, then minus 2.01, y is equal to 2.01. So if you are solving this one, we have 0.2003. So this is y dash 0. Is it okay? Similarly, we have to find y1 dash, y2 dash, and y3 dash. Find it. Now next one is x1 equal to 0.2, y1 is equal to 2.0401. So y1 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.2 minus 2.0401. So that is equal to 0.4027. Then next point is x2 equal to 0.3, comma, y2 is equal to 2.0907. So y2 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.3 minus 2.0907. So that is equal to 0.6090. Now next one is x3 is equal to 0.4. y3 is equal to 2.1621. So y3 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.4 minus 2.1621. So that is equal to 0.8215. So I think you all got the same answer. Is it okay? Okay. So now by using these data, we are going to predict the value of y4. y4 means y of 0.5 because x3 equal to 0.4. So definitely x4 is equal to 0.5 and we are asked to find y of 0.5. So that is y4. So y4 is equal to, so we are predicting that value. So we can label it as y4p, that is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. It is a little bit easy to remember Milner's method. y4 is equal to y0 plus, here we have 4h by 3 into 2 minus 1 2, like that way it is going. So 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. So that is equal to, what is the value? What is y for p? So y for p is equal to 2.01 plus 4 into 0.1 divided by 3 into 2 into 0.4027 y1 dash minus 0.6090, that is y2 dash, plus 2 into 0.8215, that is y3 dash. So that is equal to 2.2553. So please note, this is a value of y at x equal to 0.5. So at x equal to 0.5, y is equal to 2.2553. This one is a value given by the predictor. So now we are going to correct the value. So if you are going through the character equation of character, you can see one thing, the y4 dash is a part of that equation. So first you have to find y4 dash. So find y4 dash. Find y4 dash, because we need that value for character. So what is the value of y4 dash? So here, if you are considering y dash in an equal increment, an exponential increase is there. So next value is 1.05 something, very close to that value, I think. Or 1.045, around that. What is the value? Y4 dash. So y4 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.5. Please note 2 into e raised to x. So here we need x4. x4 is equal to 0.5 minus y4. So y4 is equal to 2.2553. So that is equal to 1.0421. Is it okay, all of you? So now we can correct the value. So use the corrector formula. What is the corrector formula? Y4c is equal to y2 plus h by 3 into y4 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y2 dash. So y4c is equal to, so y2, this is y2 2.0907 plus 0.1 by 3 into y4 dash is 1.0421 plus 4 into y3 dash. Y3 dash is 0.8215 plus y2 dash, that is 0.6090. So we have 2.0907 plus 0.1 by 3 into 1.0421 plus 4 into 0.8215 plus 0.6090. So this is equal to the corrected value of uh, y of 0.5 equal to 2.2553. So this is the corrected value. Okay. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇതേ വാല്യൂ തന്നെയാണോ കിട്ടിയത്? Okay. So okay. So you can see that the corrected value and the predicted value are exactly same. Means we can stop here. If it is different for exponential purpose, if it is 4, then by using this value you have to apply the corrected method again. If it is 4, instead of this value, if it is a new value, by using this new value find the new y4 dash, and by using the new y4 dash you have to find the new y4. So you can stop if the successive values are same. Okay, so here luckily these two values are same, so we can stop here. Okay. So next one is Adams and Bedford method. And these are the predictor and corrector formulas. The predictor formula is y4 is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash, and y4 is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So please note down this predictor and corrector formula. So now note down the question. Given dy by dx is equal to 2 e raised to x minus y. So the same question I think we have. So y of 0.1 is equal to 2.01. Y of 0.2 is equal to 2.0401. Y of 0.3 is equal to 2.0907. And y of 0.4 is equal to 2.1621. And we are asked to find y of 0.5. So this method also requires 4 points. So 4 initial conditions are given. This is x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and we are asked to find x4, y of x4, that is y4. So please note down this question. So this is a question. So x0 is 0.1, first initial condition, and y0 equal to 2.01. So corresponding y1, y0 dash is 2 into e raised to 0.1 minus 2.01, that is equal to 0.2003. We already have these values. Then x1 is equal to 0.2, y1 is equal to 2.0401, y1 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.2 minus 2.0401. So that is equal to 0.4027. Y1 dash is equal to 0.4027. And x2 equal to 0.3. Y2 is equal to 2.0907. So y2 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.3 minus 2.0907. So that is equal to 0.6090. X3 is equal to 0.4. Y3 is equal to 2.1621. So y3 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.4 minus 2.1621. So that is equal to 0.8215. So using these values, we can find y4. Y4 is equal to y2, y3 plus y4p. Predictor equation y4p is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So that is equal to 2.1621 plus 0.1 divided by 24 into 55 into y3 dash, that is 0.8215, minus 59 into y2 dash, that is 0.6090, plus 37 into y1 dash, 37 into y1 dash, so that is 0.4027, minus 9 into y0 dash, that is 0.2003. So the answer is 2.2552 at x4 equal to 0.5. So this one is a predicted value. Now by using this predicted value, we can find the corrected value. So first we require y4 dash. So y4 dash is equal to 2 into e raised to 0.5 minus 2.2552, that is equal to 1.0423. So we can find y4 using corrected formula. So y4c is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So this one is a corrected formula. So we have y3 is 2.1621 plus 0.1 divided by 24, that is h by 24 into 9 into y4 dash is 1.0422 plus 19 into y3 dash is 0.8215 minus 5 into y2 dash. Y2 dash is 0.6090 plus y1 dash, that is 0.4027. So the final answer is 2.2552.